I found my spot for the morning. I found this little cave-like spot at the top of the waterfall to sit here, read, write, pray, breathe, and just reflect. There is no better place, at least for my heart, to get into an internal space of like rest, where true reflection can take place, where I can sit and observe my life and gain awareness and clarity, than the mountains. And just being out here in such a wild, untouched, beautiful place, I feel my soul settle down. It's such a sharp contrast to life back home with all the busyness and perfect square yards and perfectionism all around, and just. But right now I'm right where I'm designed to be, out in the Pisgah National Forest.